What's going down, y'all? It's the Finance Man here, and in this video we're going to be talking about a new cryptocurrency that just dropped called Forever BNB. We're just going to be doing a slight overview, and we're just going to talk about what it is and what it has to offer and why I think it's going to be a very good coin to hold into the future. It says welcome to Forever BNB, and this is their main website right here, but it says welcome to Forever BNB, one of the first tokens with dividend yields in BUSD along with rebasing tokenomics. Forever BNB is a simple concept combining all the three trending mechanisms: rebasing, dividends, and buyback. Essentially what that is, the BUSD yields and dividend yields, is essentially, to keep it very simple, whenever you buy something and you might get cash back on a credit card, for example, that's what yields are in terms of crypto. So the more Forever BNB you buy, you will end up getting BUSD, which is a form of another token that you can actually convert over to actual USD later on. All right, so now let's get into and talk about what they say they are all about. Now, keep in mind, this is going to be completely unbiased. I'm going to not fluff or lie about anything here, and I'm going to say my honest opinion on everything they have to say. So the introduction: by simply holding, you will earn cryptocurrencies BUSD. The longer you hold, the more you earn, with the charts always going up through our rebasing system, our rebasing mechanism. It really is that simple. The devs and mods are ready to answer the questions you may have. So come on over, get involved, and do not miss out on the next multi-million-dollar MCAP coin, a coin with real utility. Hold and earn BUSD effortlessly. Now, once again, like I said, I'm going to be completely transparent, and the only thing that I don't like about this is the fact that they say, and do not miss out on the next multi-million-dollar MCAP coin. That's what most marketers or scammers would say, right? I'm not calling them a scammer by far. So far, they've proven to me, based on how long I've held them, that they are not scamming whatsoever. But whenever you read something like multi-million-dollar come get involved, it sounds like something that the Mega Millions or Powerball would try to run, right? But anyway, who knows? They could be younger or whatever the case may be. It says on the skills, one of the first tokens with dividend yields in BUSD along with rebasing tokenomics. So we discussed that before. The dividend yield, so the more Forever BNB that you're holding onto, is the more dividend yield you're going to get in BUSD, and then you can convert that BUSD over to Binance, over to fiat, and then you can cash out. And of course, the BUSD dividend reward. Forever BNB proposes an innovative future in its contract dividend payment in BUSD and an evergreen chart through elastic supply. Check for yourself some screenshots of people that got rewarded with BUSD, and then they just have a converter here, and you can buy Forever BNB on their website right now. You can connect your wallet, you can connect Trust Wallet, which is very easy, and you can convert that over right there. So let's talk about the tokenomics real quick. So they've got a 15% tax. A 7% is used to purchase BUSD, which is automatically paid out in dividends to holders automatically. 4% is split between buyback mechanism and marketing fund, so that's good. 4% is split between buyback mechanism and team and marketing fund, so of course they get their share. Marketing fund can be used in extreme circumstances to correct market volatility, so that's good. So they're essentially, what they're saying is that they're having a backup plan just in case things go wrong. So that's good that, that they're trying to show you that they're prepared for certain things. 2% of all tax gets added to liquidity so as to build a strong price floor, and 2% goes to the development and lottery wallet. The total supply is, I'm not going to even guess that number. That's a lot, either 1 billion or 1 trillion. All right, and then one more time, they have a quick summary of everything that they do. So that 7% of every transaction is accumulated for dividends to holders paid in that Binance BUSD, and it's telling you, if you do not know what that is, you can read that article right there that'll explain it to you. They have the automatic dividend distribution, which means that dividends are automatically reflected relative to your holdings. Distribution cycle times depend on the number of holders in the market and transaction volume, but can be claimed manually. A minimum of 200K tokens is required to be held to qualify for dividend distribution. So there you go. There's a requirement right there. So over 200K tokens need to be held for you to be able to get that dividend payout. So 5% buyback funded marketing. So like they said before, 5% of all transactions will be taken by the contract. A configurable portion will be used for marketing, while the bulk of the tax will be used to buy back and burn our token to offset the selling pressure generated by the dividend mechanic. It's a win-win deal, right? And last but not least, the rebase token, a mechanism that adjusts the circulating token supply according to the token's price fluctuations. So pretty much what they're saying is that they manually adjust the total supply of tokens so you can get evergreen charts and constantly attract new investors. So once again, whenever they say things like, oh, constantly attractive for new investors, or get involved and don't miss out on multi-million-dollar MCAP coin, it makes it, you start thinking, oh man, could this be rushed? Could this be something that they're trying to just get money and dip out on? But like I said, I'm betting on them. I think it's going to be a good token, and I can see them going far in the future. Maybe they just said that, just to add in a little bit of spice to it. But last but not least, we have the roadmap. So, they have a short, mid, and long-term roadmap. So once again, this is good as well, because like most coins that come out, most of them don't have a roadmap, and that makes you concerned, because it's like, oh, what's the game plan? What are they even doing? So far what they've done, and they've already surpassed this. I'm not so sure if they're updating it, but they've already surpassed the 500 Twitter followers mark. But they've already got their website launch, which we're on right now. They've got the marketing going down, so they want to get listed on CoinGecko. They want to get listed on CoinMarketCap. They want to get their Pancake Swap logo uploaded, Trust Wallet logo uploaded, and have the 1,000 followers on Telegram. So that's their short term. They're working on that right now, and in all honesty, they're going to be hitting this very, very soon, because they already hit the majority of these. And like I said, these two at the bottom, one of them they've already fixed. They have this already, and pretty soon they'll probably hit 1,000 followers on Telegram. But no big deal right there, right? That's not really what we're concerned about. But the midterm roadmap, this is probably when we're going to start seeing some big changes. So they want that dividend dashboard, so that'll allow things like the dividend statistics, the claim countdown, manual claims, forever BNB swap platform, which will be huge. So they get their own platform, that'll be huge, an audit and white paper release. So that'll be great right there for the midterm roadmap. And of course, long term, they are looking to go all the way with it, because they want to be published on an NFT platform, or have their own NFT platform and exchanges listing with a partnership of big influencers. So y'all, they've got a pretty decent roadmap. Like I said, this coin just released. It's a brand new coin. They are already paying you back dividends in BUSD. There are some people on Twitter already saying that they have a lot of tokens, and they already are getting $300 to $400 a day. And reflections, when it comes to BUSD, they had to buy a lot of tokens, and I mean a lot of tokens. But y'all, I'm thinking this is a very good coin. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. They even have a chart right here. We won't go too crazy into the chart, but the chart, it just shows the DEX score and everything, and it shows all the numbers and the statistics, and it shows you where it's currently at. As you can see, it's been going up and down. It started, it looks like, let's see, this was October 14th, 2021. So that's extremely early, man. I mean, this is only a couple of days here we're talking. And, it's been going up and shooting up and things like that. Goes all the way up. And then, you see it bounce up a lot. Then it comes back down. And then, it shot down really low on the 15th. And now it looks like it's going to be coming back up again. And it's on an uptrend. So, like I said, y'all, let me know in the comments below what you think of this. And I will see y'all next one. The Finance Man is out of here.